slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? ireview stuff back here once again, and today we're gonna be taking another look at another pair of shoes. This time it's gonna be the Satin Jordan 1 Black Toes, I believe, which was a women's release. So yeah, guys, let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below on these shoes. I will get into them, not super in depth, just because they're a pair of Jordan 1s, more or less regular beyond the Black Toe, or beyond the Satin, sorry. If you guys hear crickets in the background, it's for my chameleon's cage. Like, it just fed her and there's crickets chirping all over the place, so hopefully you guys can hear me over them. That is going to be this video and then the one previously, which I don't know which one's getting uploaded first. I digress. If you guys are new to the channel, these are a UA pair of shoes. If you don't like that, it's as easy as that. Click on another video or click off the video, close your tab. It's all that. Anyways, let's get into it. These came in about a week with EMS shipping to Canada, so not bad at all. But yeah, not much else to say. Let's get into the shoes. Not going to take too long in this video. So yeah, let me turn on the fan real quick because it's hot as hell. Hopefully you guys can hear me over that fan, but it is hot. Decided to be cold here where I live for like 2 days. Hoodie weather, and now it's blazing hot again, so I don't know what's even going on. Global warming, man. Global warming, that's all I gotta say. And if I slur a little bit here and there, forgive me. I just came back from the dentist, so my mouth is a little bit numb. But yeah, so let's get into it. This is all the information you need for this seller. It's UAShoe.com. Instagram is at UAShoe service 688. WhatsApp is right there. Email is right there. Pause the video if you want to contact them on any of those socials. And let me just put that away. Let's get into his shoes. I believe they sent me the wrong size, so I gotta message them on that because I ordered size 9.5 and they sent 11. Unless it might be my fault, like maybe I miscommunicated with them when talking to them. But I'll see what's up with that. Anyways, still happy about the shoes nonetheless. They're just a size and a half bigger than what I wanted. I ordered 9.5, so they're for a friend, not me. But here's the box, regular Jordan 1 box. You can see Air Jordan 1 High OG, black, white, varsity red. Size US 11, says the RFID right there, and there's a little QR code as well. Nothing else beyond that that's out of the ordinary. It's just a regular Jordan 1 box, so I'm not going to take too much time on that. Just going to give you guys the beats on the quality of the shoe itself more than anything. So inside you just got some paper, blah blah blah, regular stuff we have seen before, of course. So we'll swipe that to his side and take a look at the shoes themselves. So pretty sleek shoe. It looks nice. This is the satin part of it. I've never actually had like a pair of satin Jordan 1s in my hand. I know they released the shattered backboards also for women's, so pretty nice. Now that I do have them in hand, like, it looks pretty premium. The satin feels good as well. One thing I don't like that I wish was changed on these satin ones is the Air Jordan Wings logo. I don't like that it's plastic, but I mean, everyone has their own taste. It's supposed to be for women's anyways. For women, sorry. So yeah, I'd rather have it just stitched in, as long as they can do a proper stitch job. The rest of the shoe is not that crazy, guys. Like, it's just a regular black toe, which is always like a clean pair of ones at the end of the day. It's just regular. Like, honestly, even when Nike brand releases this type of leather, I'm not a huge fan. Like, I like the nice buttery leather. This is more like pleather. But I mean, again, what can you do, right? So you see a toe box, shape of the toe box, it looks good. Bottom of the shoe, you guys already know what's happening with that. Just a nice red bottom. Does come with 2 extra sets of laces, so it comes with black like on it, not laced fully. Obviously, ones usually don't come laced fully. And then it comes with a red pair and a white pair as well. So lots to choose from. I like when they add new laces, or include other laces. So, oh, one thing that's this feels really nice actually. The inside of the shoe, I can't tell if this is leather. I think it is. But the inside of the shoe has like a different feeling leather. It's kind of almost, yeah, it feels like leather, but I don't know. It's weird. I like it though. It feels premium. Nice padding, of course, on the ankle collar. You got the size tag right there. Got the Nike Air with the little hair apparently. I don't believe that's mine. So let me just take that out. I don't understand why people get so grossed out over hair. Like, I never got it, frankly, never got it. Unless you're eating at a restaurant and then you have hair in your food, I get that. But if it's just one little piece and they're making a big fuss out of it, I never understood it, but I don't know, maybe it's a white person thing, or I don't know to be honest. Like, I really don't know what's up with that. So, back of the tongue, regular stuff, Jordan 1, you know, we've seen it before, Nike Air on the tongue, always clean. Even the tongue feels kind of like, actually nah, I just haven't felt a pair of ones in a while, I guess. The rest of the shoe, there's not a whole lot to talk about, guys. Like, midsole paint is good, just an on-point pair of shoes. So I believe this is my second or third pair from UAShoe service, and they haven't let down since I started ordering from them. So if you guys want to shop there, go ahead. I don't condone any of this stuff, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So yeah, there you go. Satin ones. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it in the comment section down below. With all that being said, stay blessed. If you're new to your channel, follow the Instagram, link will be in the description. Turn on notifications, subscribe, drop a like on the video, show some love that way. Stay blessed, guys. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.